Starting a business? Or maybe you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to upgrade your banking. Either way, you've probably wondered, how exactly do I apply for a Capital One business account? Navigating the world of business banking can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to simplify the process. Capital One offers a variety of business accounts, from checking and savings to credit cards, designed to help you manage your finances efficiently. The application process is straightforward, and for most businesses, you can do it right from your computer. Before you start, you'll need to have some key information ready. This includes both personal details and information about your business. You'll need your personal identification, like your social security number and a government-issued photo ID. For your business, you'll need the legal name and business type, your tax ID or employer identification number, or your social security number if you're a sole proprietor, and details about your ownership structure. Depending on your business, you might also need documents like your articles of incorporation or an assumed name statement. Having all of this on hand will make the process a breeze. Once you have everything, head to the Capital One website and look for their small business banking section. You'll be able to choose the type of account you want to open, like a basic checking or advantage savings account. The online application will guide you step by step, asking for the information you've gathered. You'll input your personal details, followed by your business information. You'll also need to provide your business's address and contact information. If you prefer a more personal touch, you can also visit a Capital One branch to open an account with the help of a banker. This can be a great option if you have a complex business structure or simply prefer in-person assistance. After you submit your application, Capital One will review it. If approved, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to set up your online access and start using your new business account. The whole process is designed to be quick, so you can get back to what matters most, running your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.